China continuing opening up generates far-reaching opportunities for global stakeholders. For multinational corporations, it means access to one of the world's largest and most dynamic consumer markets. For startups and innovation-driven enterprises, China's vibrant digital economy and thriving technology ecosystem provide new collaboration prospects. In essence, an open China is not only an engine for its own economic resilience, but also a catalyst for a more balanced and inclusive global economic order. China's rapid advancement in digitalization, green technologies, and intelligent systems have become a cornerstone for global sustainable development. By investing heavily in research and development, particularly in fields like artificial intelligence, renewable energy, and advanced manufacturing, China is not only driving domestic growth, but also fostering global innovation.